Welcome to this video, where we'll learn how to disable video autoplay on the LinkedIn app using your phone. Many users find autoplay videos distracting or data-consuming, so turning off this feature can make browsing smoother. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Then, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Account Preferences. Now, look for the option called Autoplay Videos and tap on it. Finally, choose Never Autoplay Videos to completely stop videos from playing automatically in your feed. From now on, LinkedIn videos will only play when you decide to tap on them, helping you save both data and attention. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others who might find it useful.